Hi guys, I received a message from JB Cowboy Fan. It says, "Hey Duncan, I was wondering if it is safe to download a Vista style theme on an XP, and if it is, where is a good place to get one? Thanks, I love your vids, JB Cowboy Fan." Thank you for your question. Now, I tried to reply using YouTube, but you've actually enabled friend lock. So this person has enabled friend lock. You'll not be able to send messages to them unless they add you as a friend. Well, apologies to anyone who's adding me as a friend. I'm only accepting friend invites from people who actually are my friend. So anyway, to answer your question, firstly, it should be safe as long as you know where you're downloading it from, and you check it with your virus scanners and whichever. Now, one of the sites I'll be showing you is a trusted site, but one uses mirrors, so you might want to be careful with that. But anyway, usually it's fine, so don't worry, don't panic, don't think everything's going to have spyware and viruses in it. But anyway, firstly you need to make sure your XP system is patched. Now, this is the thing I've been using ever since I first discovered I could use custom themes. It's UX Theme Multi-Patcher, and you basically download it and click patch, and then it says something, and then you have to it does it, and then you restart your system, and then you can enable custom themes to be on your PC. So once that's done and you've patched your system, I suggest you go to DeviantArt. Now, I'll provide the links to all of the things I'll be showing you in the description. DeviantArt is a very good place to find visual styles, and you can see that very recently someone's made a Vista style, it looks like. Now, some people suggest using window blinds. Now, I'm not a big fan of that. I think recently they've managed to integrate it into because it uses the same engine as Microsoft does as their so it uses less resources on your PC because it uses Microsoft's engine. But I don't like the fact of having an extra program to change my styles, so I prefer to download things called MS styles, and this is where you get MS styles. MS styles, if I show you, if I go to C Windows, D Windows, because I'm on drive D, resources, themes, because this is usually where you'll have to put your files. So once your thing's patched, you'll see I've got a custom theme myself, and it's called Slan XP. If I go onto it, you see it says slanxp.ms styles, and when I double click that, it will enable my theme. Now, MS styles is basically what Luna uses, or it uses a Luna.theme, but the MS style is inside the Luna folder. So it uses the same thing as Microsoft does as this theme. So therefore, you don't have any extra programs. It just has the Windows XP integration, same sort of style. So you don't have to worry about downloading window blinds. But obviously, people say, yeah, download it because you get extra things like animated start menus and things like that. But I'd just get this because, for one, window blinds isn't free anyway. So I'd suggest just getting an MS style. It's free. It's easier. It should take less. Well, I say less resources. Someone will argue with me if I say that. So, but anyway, visual styles. Just search. I don't know. Just search Vista style, and then there's just a bunch of things that have been made. Now this is actually searching the wrong thing. Yeah, that's actually searching the whole site. You want to search these results, so I just say Vista. And it's 552. Not all of these obviously will be for Windows XP, because obviously you can get some Vista styles now for Windows Vista, which I've shown in a previous video. So yeah, there you go, so you get another Vista style. So there's quite a few here that you can use. Just try them out. I haven't got any recommendations because I don't use it. I use Slan XP for my visual style. So I hope this answers your question. Now, if you want to go all out and make your PC look as much like Vista as possible, and you want to get everything that goes with it, like a sidebar, I think there's a sidebar included, and the transparency and all the things like that, there's something called Vista Transformation Pack, and it's from a guy who is actually on a website I belong to, a forum I belong to. Windows X has made Vista Transformation Pack, and you can basically get it from several mirrors. Now this is what I was talking about, because you never know if they've been tampered with, but here we have the MD5, so look back into one of my videos where it says about MD5s, you understand, but they should be fine. So, and as you can see, this is a screenshot you get after you've finished downloading it. Now you can see it looks pretty authentic. And apparently some PC shops did one of the PC shops for a laugh, put Vista Transformation Pack on their PC, and people actually thought it was Vista when it's actually XP. So that's what it looks like after it's been transformed. So it may be worth doing this, and obviously all the support is here, and I recommend you going to the user guide thread. Now I'll provide links to both the transformation pack and the user guide thread, because my Rorus, who's on JCXP, has spent a lot of time making a really good user guide, which really does help when you're installing this pack, so you can make sure you know what you're doing, and it should work fine for you. So I hope this helps you, JB Cowboy fan. Again, I tried to reply with the links and everything, but you've enabled friend lock, and I'm sorry, I can't be your friend. I don't mean it in a harsh way. I mean it like I need to actually have my actual friends as my friends. So thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.